Yan. First, prepare 2.5 ounce container or sauce cup or ice cream cup. 20 pieces of cups. And then, set it aside for a while. Leave it like that. And then, put 2 sachet or 2 packs of Menu Magic Melon Jelly Powder. And then next, all-purpose flour. And then 2 pieces of large egg. Mix it well until until the dry ingredients dissolve completely. Once the texture is like that, then you may put the water on it and then keep mixing it until incorporate. And then next, put 2 cans of 390 grams of condensed milk. Yan. And then mix again until incorporate. Yes, everything's incorporate. Must. Ayan. And then cook this for about 10 minutes in low heat. Keep mixing it to avoid lumps. After 10 minutes of cooking, you must urgently transfer it to each containers. Each containers or cups has 1/4 cup measuring cup of melon jelly mixture. And then next, once you transferred it, put some cookies, crushed cookies on top of it while it's still hot. Yes, don't worry, it won't. Basta yun na yun. And then next, once you are done putting the crushed cookies, you may put the pop rice. Yes, it's pop rice, it's crunchy. Yeah. And that's our finished products. You just need to put the lids on each container and then that's it. Just put it on the freezer for 10 hours or longer. It's good if you eat this cold. Yes. And if you want to try it or just taste it or curious about the taste or the texture, you may check the list of ingredients and costing if you want to sell it. Check it in the last part of this video. Thank you for watching. See you. Goodbye. Love you.
Ang sarap siya, mahal.